Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be how to become a Dhgate affiliate and or influencer. So if you want to be a DH girly and earn some coin, stay tuned. So if you don't know, Dhgate is a website where you can buy like luxury items for cheap and dupes for cheap. They also have like electronics on there. They even have hair. You know, you get your handbags on there, shoes, clothes, you know, everything. It's kind of like a one-stop shop. First off, I'm going to have the link to the affiliate sign up down below and everything, and I'm just going to take you kind of like step by step on what to do and how to get paid and how to get your payout. Once you click the link, you're going to use that email to sign up. You're going to create a password, and then you are also going to agree to the terms. And then once you do all of that, they're going to send you a verification to your email, and you're going to put the verification code in. After you get your verification code, you're going to sign up, and then after that it's going to take you to the next page, and it's going to say, I believe it's going to say agree to be an affiliate. And you're going to agree to be an affiliate because we're trying to get some money. Okay, we're trying to get some money. So once you sign up, it's going to tell you to enter your workplace, and you're going to enter your workplace, and this is where all of your like affiliate stuff is going to be. It's going to show like what people order, how much commission was it, when will your commission arrive. So once you go on there, you're gonna see a screen that's gonna have a home, tools, products, coupon, and account. You're going to press tools, and you're gonna see link customizer, quote product, sample product, app promotion, top source, opportunity, and campaign. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to sample product, and it's just gonna have like a list of stuff that you can get samples of. I don't know the exact amount of how many samples you can get, but I think it's like 5. A lot of stuff has changed since I signed up, so I'm not really sure, and I have never gotten free samples actually from Dhgate itself. You have to request to actually sample the product, and then I think it takes like a few days, and they'll let you know if you got accepted or not. And if you don't get accepted, girl, it's okay. Just go buy you an item. Just go buy you a little item, promote it on TikTok preferably, because that's where the girls be at. Buy you something, whether it's $30, $40, $50, $60, whatever you can afford, buy it. I mean, you can buy you some earrings. They got earrings like Louis Vuitton earrings on there for 10 bucks. You're going to get that product, you're going to promote it on TikTok, and then you're going to put it in your little link tree or whatever you prefer to use, and the girls are going to be clicking it, and when they buy it and actually receive it, that's when you get your commission. So to link your links, what I use is Beacons. I was using Linktree at first. I feel like Linktree is a bit basic. I don't know, it was a bit basic, and then I created my own little website, and it was just a lot, kind of like updating everything. It was just easier to use like a third party type of situation. So I went to Beacons, and I love Beacons. It looked like a customizable website that you made yourself. I'll have mine linked down below so y'all can just take a look at it and see, you know, if that's what y'all want to use or not. Once you get your item, the product that you want to promote and earn commission on, you're gonna go to tools on your home page. You're gonna go to tools, and then you're gonna go to link customizer. Whatever item you're gonna be promoting, you're gonna get the link for it, and then you're gonna put it in the little customizer. And once you get that link, it's gonna ask if you want like a long or a short link. You're gonna get the short link. Just get that, and then you're gonna put it into your Beacon or whatever you decide to use, and then that's going to be your affiliate link. You don't want to use a regular link because it's not going to earn you any money. You're not going to earn any money from a regular link. It needs to be customized. So going back to how to get free products, a lot of them hit me up via email because they see like my YouTube video that I made, or they see my TikToks, or they be on Instagram. I've had companies reach out to me on Instagram or under my TikTok videos or in my email, and I'll just show y'all some examples of what they say, just so you don't like get scammed and, you know, weird people having your address or anything like that. So I had like a few Dhgate managers hit me up, and you know, they asked if you want to promote anything or whatever, and sometimes they'll try you and be like, can you put the link in your bio, and then they don't be trying to send you nothing. You tell them no. Like one of my friends told me, you tell them no, you'll put the link when you receive the items, because they be trying to get over. So don't let them get over on you, girl. So to actually get your money on there is rather simple as well. They have two ways. You can have a wire transfer or a PayPal transfer. Now with the wire transfer, you're going to be using your bank, and the minimum amount for that is $50. It used to be like $25, but they've changed a lot of stuff on there now, so it's $50. And for the PayPal one, your minimum amount is $100. So you can't cash your money out until you get to $50 or $100. Now me, they don't have my bank listed on there, but I use PayPal, and it is what it is. Now PayPal do take like a certain amount out depending on how much it is, and also it take a long time to get your payout. It take like 2 weeks. They'll tell you like the estimated time, which is like 15 days, and I'm like, girl, what? Like for real, why it take so long? Usually it come like a day before, so like 14 days, but girl, yeah. So that's the only downfall. It takes so long to actually get your payment. So yeah. Now I know some people, you can cash out weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month. It just depends on whenever you reach your threshold. I usually just kind of like let mine build up, and I can say I've made more money with Dhgate than I have with YouTube and Amazon. Now you take that how you want it. I will kind of show y'all like how the commission looks in the actual website. With the commission, each item is kind of different. So on some items you might get 20 cents, 30 cents, $1, $1.50, $5, $7, $10. It just depends on the item itself. Depends on how much you're going to be getting paid. I kind of encourage all of y'all to sign up, especially if y'all like bougie on the budget items and y'all already buy them and have them. Y'all need to be making money from that. Y'all need to be profiting from that, not just getting an item. Y'all need to be making some money off of it, okay? Because they make money off us. Make some money off them. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if y'all have any more questions about it, leave it down below, or y'all can DM me and I will make another video about it. But until next time, I'll see y'all later.